Guys, this has got to be a new update for Phantom Forces. I do sound sick, so I'm sorry because I am sick. I'm very sick. My sniper class. I actually have been playing Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I've not been playing Fortnite, sadly. You know, Fortnite is one of my most favorite games. I'm going back to the old days playing Call of Duty. Because I like Call of Duty still. Call of Duty still is good. My least favorite Call of Duty is Infinite Warfare. Yeah, it took me a while. And if you guys want to know the reason why, watch my Call of Duty Black Ops live stream part 1 or 2. I'm pretty sure I do mention in both of them. But just in case, watch part 1 first. Easier than the experience. Savage. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Not that hard. So easy though, bro. It's so easy to kill these kids. It's not hard to kill them. Well, that was a nice hit marker. I don't know if I've seen that hit marker, but yeah, that was a good hit marker. Actually, a really good hit marker. I might go play Call of Duty Modern Warfare on PC. I might just go play Black Ops 2 because Black Ops. I'm gonna get a mic for my Xbox One so I can make videos on Black Ops 2. As Jiho Golly, I have I don't know why, but I'm better on Black Ops 2 than Infinite Warfare, Modern Warfare 2, Black Ops, Advanced Warfare. Excuse me, you said you were my teammate. Makes no sense, but I mean, okay. I know, this is gonna be like a 2-minute video. It wasn't that long. I just want to show you the update. There's a dust map. I only want to play for like 2 minutes. I'm sorry about that, guys. It's only like a 3-minute video. It's probably like one of the shortest videos I've ever done. Probably. If not, I don't know. I'll go check. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!